Hey everyone, this is Christian from BioPharmCatalyst.com, and today we're going to give you a brief overview of how to get started with our website and unleash its potential. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, BioPharmCatalyst is your go-to resource to track publicly traded biotech, medical devices, and pharmaceutical companies on US markets. BioPharmCatalyst is more than just a database of drug pipelines. It's a powerful tool for stock market investors. In this video, we'll cover everything from setting up your account to using our various tools effectively so you can make informed investment decisions. First, let's kick things off by talking about your account and setup. Here, to your account, you'll find different tabs. The first one is your details. When it comes to your details, you'll find your name, last name, email, and the format, which you can always customize according to your preference. Then when you go into your subscriptions tab, you can see the plan that you are active, and then aside of that, you can compare between different plans. Keep in mind that pricing is always subject to change, so it's always good to check your website in the future to see if there is any change. In payment history, you can see the payments, and you can also get a copy of your receipts. In credit cards, you can get detailed information about the credit cards that are active into your account. And then on my portfolio, you can create personalized portfolios. These serve for three different purposes. The first purpose is to create personalized portfolios that will allow you to basket your tickers in a more efficient way. The second is to get notifications and press releases via the tickers you choose on your portfolio. And the third one will be to use for filters on the FDA calendar and other tools that we have on our website. On newsletter preferences, you can select the preferences that you want. On a regular basis, we have our daily biotech updates and pre-market newsletters, which are renewed every day. And in terms of weekly newsletters, we have the weekly biotech review, which highlights Catalyst. And then we have our weekly recap, where we have a lot of information about what's happening during the week and some community highlights. In addition to that, we have our community server. It's on Discord, and this server has more than 4,000 biotech enthusiasts, which are constantly interacting each other, so you can learn more about our community. Then on notification settings, you can always customize the notifications via email or via browser. It's up to you how you want to get notifications. However, we have different notifications. If you want like FDA new additions or FDA approvals or CRLs, you can get that in here. But you want to check all the day changes, you can also select in this area. If you want to select all tickers or just specific tickers for a specific portfolio, you can always do that. However, it's always good to, if you want to have like a huge grabs of our website to get all the tickers. But that's more according to your preference. Medical devices as well. And then we also have medical devices changes. And if you want some company press releases, headlines, which is always good to have if you want a lot of news, which they're constantly sent. Then you can always update your password in here. And if you go further to the right, you can enable two-factor authentication so you can have enhanced security on your account. So this is a brief overview of your account. Then what we'll do first is just getting into the getting started page, which is on my VPC. This page will help you to understand how the main tools are set up. Then once you get a grasp of that, we always suggest to get your portfolio ready, which you can do it via your account or here. You can always create like as many portfolios as you want, so don't limit yourself. If you want a different portfolio, so you can just create a new portfolio based on, let's say, let's do like large caps or anything. So we can just create large caps, and then in here we can just add Pfizer, mRNA, Merck. We can do Martis, Bio, and we can select API as well. You can just scroll down or just type the ticker that you want. Make sure you have the name clear and save it. You can always delete portfolios, as I can do with this one, but you can have it in here. Then once you have created your portfolio, what is helpful from this, it's you can personalize your portfolio news, for instance. So this is a BPC portfolio, but if you go to large caps, as you can see, you get only news from this. You have relative volume and the news related to each of these companies that was previously selected on that specific portfolio. You can also like set up your notifications if you want, in this case, to be by that specific portfolio, and you get all the notifications based on that. Save the settings, and then you're ready to go. Once it hits it's save, it's easy, pretty straightforward. Then you can select your preferences, your Discord, same as in your account. Once you have that, you're more than ready to get started with our next step. So don't forget to check our BPC favorite tools. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope it helps.